Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about the different arcs in a circle. So there are three kinds of arcs in a circle. The first one is a minor arc. So this one is the smallest arc, and this one is less than 180. The next arc is a semi-arc, which is equal to 180. And the last arc is a major arc. And as you might have guessed it, it's greater than 180. So as you know, minor means small. You know that? Like, that's a minor PC you got there or something like that. Yeah. Anyways, so let's actually plot the center of the circle here. Let's do a different color. I would say that's around the center. So let's start off with a minor arc. Is greater than 180, and we know that a full circle is equal to 360. So then we know that half the circle, that's going to be 180 because 360 divided by 2 is equal to 180. So also, I guess we can start off with semi actually, but because we already did that, then that's a semi. Semi can only be one kind. So yeah, it would be here. And basically an arc is just like, so it's like the circumference section or the curved section on the circle's circumference, and so right there, that blue, that one is semi because it is 180, half the circle, and semi can only be one, so that's like the only example, the only thing. If you see that, it's a semi. So the next one is a minor. So we can see here, this is 180, so it's going to be like anywhere inside the 180. It could be on this side too, but as long as it only stays on one side of the half of the circle. But we could be talking about any half circle, like maybe half the circles there, but hopefully you get what I'm saying. Split the half of this half.
Stop it. Get some help.
Split this half in half, and right there we got ourselves a minor arc, because we know that is less than 180, because 180 is half the circle. And we really could also have it like it goes on this line, but then it goes like just like 1 degree up. Right there, that would be a minor arc, because let's say it's 179. It is less than 180, so it is a minor.
Trying to strike a chord is probably a minor.
Oh my God! Bruh.
Last but not least, major arc is over 180. So again, we know that this line is 180, right? So it would, let's say we start on this side, it would have to go past this line right here. So keep going, and it could go anywhere. It could reach the end back here, or it could just like stop there. That's probably like 250. As long as that is above, greater than 180, it's a major arc. But this topic, I don't think this topic is that hard. It's very simple. But yeah, I just have a whole video on it, because why not? But yeah, those are the three arcs. I think like major arcs, right? When you name arcs, it's like letters, and you put like an arc shape at the top. So that's arc from point A to point C. So here, as an example, I should erase all this. No, I'm actually going to keep it. We have this point is A, and then this point is C. That's a minor arc. And that minor arc is A to C, and it's there. So this arc right here, that arc is A to C. I'm gonna erase all of this, so hopefully you guys mastered it. Okay, I tried to erase everything, guys, so like, don't look at that. Anyways, so this arc right here. It's a minor arc, so it's 2 letters only. And then also the center would also be a point too for angles, and we'll learn that in the next video actually. So go watch that next video. That right there is the minor arc, which only uses 2 letters. So we'll write that on the side. 2 letters for a minor arc. In our case, we can, let's say this is another line right there, and then we have another point here, and which is D, and we want to name the major arc because that's the major arc. When I did geometry, when I used to do this, and they told me to name the arcs, I did struggle on the way they would pronounce it. Like when they had arc A, C, D, that right there, 3 letters is a major, I would actually think it was from here to here. So that means I got the wrong answer. But don't make that mistake, and I'm telling you guys right now. Make sure that you are going in the correct order. So first is A, then C, then D. So you go from here to C, and then to D, which is a major arc. And why major arcs have 3 letters, so don't want to make that mistake, because that will lead you to the wrong answer. 3 letters. And semi is probably 2 letters, but semi will be straightforward, because you could go either way for semi. You can go this way, or you could go that way. Because again, I went the wrong way for getting this ACD arc. I went the wrong way there. So, but yeah, that's the video on arcs, and hopefully you guys watch the next video to understand how to solve missing angles and know the angles, degrees, and certain kinds of lines. So go watch any other video, honestly. Yeah, but thank you for watching.